Leaders, welcome to part 5. If it's not 6, part 5 of the video. So, in the last part, you have learned how to create new shapes. You have learned how to create material for them, and you have learned how to launch your projects to be able to view it and test it out. And then in this tutorial, then you're gonna learn on how to create new separate material and also change the was that the material, but using a texture. A texture basically it's a picture or anything. That's the texture. That's what would drive and change stuff, you know. So that would change how something actually looks like. So I'm gonna quickly do this. I'm gonna delete this. You can delete the cube. Let's make something nice in another, and then go to root and go to 3D. Look for cylinder. Right. We found the cylinder, and then go to the scale tool. Scale this cylinder in all sides so that it fits perfectly, right? And then once that is done, and then just make on the y-axis, just make this cylinder small, and then we can see it's still peeping, it's still appearing ka tlase ka hine. So asifuna ukuthi iphumele underground there, you know, ezansi. Asifuna ukuthi iphumele ezansi. So what we're gonna do now, we can select this cylinder and then move it here, right? Halala. And then once we have it here, I'm happy with that. So what I'm gonna do now, that material that I created for the cube, I'm gonna apply it there. So it's looking nice, and okay, right, we have that. Maybe we should make it a little bit bigger so that it just at the edges of the cube, right? Yeah, I think that's perfect. So we have some sort of something beautiful here, because of those colors combining. They usually make something beautiful, right? So now I'm gonna ask you to do me one favor. We now gonna create a new entity called the capsule, right? This capsule, you're gonna rotate it 90 degrees on the axis, 90 degrees or 190 degrees on the x-axis, or you can come here to rotation and just say 90. Let's move it, right? There it is, and then make sure it's in the center. Yeah, it is in the center. How do I see? Because it's 0 on the x-axis and it's 0 on the z-axis. That is the center, right? And what I need is a scale tool. Again, what I need is a scale tool, maybe right about there, right? If it's moving like this, when you move the film without clicking and you don't know how to unlock that, just click the scroll button, then it will uncheck itself from that matter. It will first from it moving like that. So now we got this. Right, guys, this is a masterpiece. This is an art on its own. If you don't like it, you don't have taste in life. But because me, I have taste in life, this actually looks beautiful, right? So come to the folder material. Actually, let's create under assets. Let's create a new. We're going under assets. Let's create a new folder called textures. Make sure it's under assets, not under material. So let's rename this folder into textures, right? And then I want you to look for any picture that you like, from the internet or from your computer, but you already know which picture that I'm gonna go to. Tracing Tompi, that's the picture that I'm gonna go with, right? I've imported Tracing Tompi under textures, so I want you to go back to material, create a new material. This new material, call it Tracy. GN material, GNU material, right? Once you've created the new material, then go to diffuse. Remember, at first, when you created those colors at diffuse, you would come to this button color, right? So now I want you instead to come here where it's written empty. You see it has this box. That box means it needs to have a texture. So you click this button and you go to the folder of texture. Then you can be able to select that. You see it's applied there. Everything seems perfect. Then from that point, you can then drag this to that texture control. So sometimes it may not appear fitting, like properly fitting. Nice, you can just change from UV0 to UV1 so that it can properly be able to fit, you know. So I'm gonna rotate my capsule. Let me rotate the capsule. Which one? I want the capsule. So I just want this flower to appear nicely. Again. Right. So here we go. Here's a masterpiece. I've changed the look of that capsule with the picture. You guys can find any picture that you want on the internet, and you can create many shapes. I encourage you guys to practice to create many shapes that you like, that you can be able to bring it as part of that. So for me, this what I've created with the texture, with the solid color. So in the next tutorial now, I'm gonna be teaching you how to import the actual custom models that we can use. We need a car. I'm sure you've been asking yourself, this guy said we're gonna build a car configurator, but we are busy with simple shapes. Are we even gonna get there? Yes, we are getting there. So I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are happy. Please create new shapes, create new material, import more textures, and you play with it so that you get it. Halala.